Do you want to add a cute and creative touch to your videos? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a heart-shaped magnifying glass effect. This effect is perfect for romantic edits. Let's get started. Step number 1, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Choose the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it in your timeline. Once your clip is loaded, you're ready to apply the effect. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available effects categories until you find Heart-Shaped Magnifying Glass. Tap the effect to preview it. You will see a heart-shaped magnifying lens that enlarges part of your video. You can also make adjustments by pressing the Adjust button. Experiment with the slides provided depending on your version of CapCut. If you're happy and satisfied with the preview, tap the check mark to apply the effect. Drag the beginning or end of the layer to control how long the heart magnifier appears. Before exporting, make sure that you play your video to preview the final result. And that's how you add a heart-shaped magnifying glass effect in CapCut Mobile. Experiment with different clips and combine it with stickers. Thanks for watching and happy editing! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless!